All right, guys, the last lock we picked was this guy, this little American like suitcase lock. And to prove to you that my short-term memory hasn't totally faded out on me, let's use what we learned from this guy on this new one. This is a Burg lock, a German lock. It is the model 116 and then 30 millimeter, made in Germany. And the reason I say use the same lessons is because it's roughly the same size. And we take a look at the keyways. They're kind of similar. I mean, the keys are not interchangeable. They're very close. So on this new one, I'm not even going to bother with top of the keyway. I'm going to start right away with bottom of the keyway because that worked out so well on the American. And this one is awesome in the bitting. Check it out. It's a 5-pinner, just like that American, but I think the bitting on this one is a little bit more extreme. I usually don't bother trying German locks. I know they're going to work. So this one does. Very smooth. It does give me an idea how much tension. All right, bottom of the keyway tensioner, if I recall, we used the small diameter one on the American lock. Let's see if it works here. Yeah, that ought to work. I've got a little bit less room to work from that shelf on this one, but we got what we got. If I recall, we used this pick. It's a 15 thousandths. It is the Euro Hybrid from Sparrows. And if he doesn't work, and I got a feeling he may not, he looks a little thick, but we're going to try it. So shoehorn him in. Yeah, this might be a little tight, guys. Around. Okay, it will work. He does fit back there, and I can start from the rear, or I can start from the front. Let's use the same technique that we did on the American. Let's start from the front and just see if it... No. Okay, a little heavier tension. And I'll start from the rear, work my way back out. All right, pin 2. Seems like he's binding. Little click. Pin 3. Little click. Pin 5. I'm not feeling any counter rotation. I haven't felt the core turn yet. That would indicate that I've hit a security. Ooh, and there are no security pins in this guy. That is really, really surprising for a German lock. But anyway, there you go, guys. The Burg Model 116/30 made in Germany. I might trust this on a, on my backpack that I have within my site, or luggage lock. But that's really about it. It's not TSA compliant. It is PIC compliant, though. Anyway, I appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal.